Alright HVAC people, so I am excited to be reviewing this next product for you today. It is a thermal imaging camera by Top Gun. It's a TC001 model, TC View. And the reason I'm really excited is because I never troubleshooted with a thermal camera. Actually, I never even used a thermal imaging camera before. I always wanted one, and I was just about to purchase the FLIR. FLIR is like the top of the market as far as thermal imaging camera goes. So as far as price comparison, this one right here is very attractive price compared to the FLIR. So like I said, I never used one before, so this is going to be a raw, uncut review right out the box. I'll be showing you some images of my furnace, of my condenser unit. I have a water heater in my attic. I'll be showing you that. I'll be kind of showing you maybe some air coming out the diffuser. But if I do like this thermal imaging camera, I will be using this in some future videos. And also in this video, I'll be leaving some link in the description. So if you want to know how you can own one or learn more about the Top Gun TC View TC001 thermal imaging camera, the details will be in the description below. Take a look at some specs. Resolution 256 by 192 pixels. Frame rate 25 hertz. The unit weighs 30 grams. Dimensions 2.8 by 1.65 by 0.55 inches. Right from your desktop, you can put up a 204-page user manual to pretty much get everything you need. So like I say, I'm not going to get that in detail today. I'm going to do straight out the box, uncut, raw, 5 or 10 minutes, looking at my equipment, but we'll do some troubleshooting in the future. All right, HVAC people, let's do a little HVAC stuff. So I'm just getting familiar with the camera. I have my heater on right now. It's a little cool outside. As you can see, we could definitely use this in the field. I have a view of my diffuser. I'm blowing 96.8 degrees out of there right now. See if we can get a little closer. 97. All right. So that's pretty cool. This is definitely going to be useful. So right now I'm going to turn my thermostat off. Let's see what the temperature difference would be. Yeah, let's turn that off. Okay. Let's go back to the TC001. All right, it's already connecting. That was a fast connection. Should have run my ladder, folks, but here it is still on. Check the return temperature. So your visual is going to be right here, but the top of the gun needs to be pointed. So mine return air temperature is about 78 degrees. All right. I'm gonna turn the heater back on. The heater just kicked on, but you can see where the vent illuminating in the background. I got my imaging on here also, where I can actually see what my diffuser looks like. But like right now, we're blowing about 86 degrees out of there. Look like 90 something. Let's see. I'll point that sensor right at it. At 99 degree discharge temperature. So we're about 100 something right now. We're at 106. So as you can see, folks, I'm gonna point this down kind of like at that window. and the light. All right, so as you can see the window on my camera view, and I can remove this. See, I got imaging right now. I can remove that also if I just want the actual full screen of that lamp or light. Look like it's about 61 degrees. So I'm trying to find out exactly where that top done sensor at on here. So as we get familiar with this, you can definitely see where you can utilize this. Beautiful, beautiful image. All right. So let's go in the attic and see what we can find up here. All right, so this is my attic. Going up, let's do imaging. Let me move my hand from the sensor. Right, as you can see, it's kind of cool up there this morning. Like it's about 50-some degrees in the attic. Look at some of that duct work. So we should be able to find duct leakage, hot spot. Like I say, this ain't really a troubleshoot video. This is my home. Everything is cooling pretty good. Heating and cooling. All right. All right, so we're just getting a visual. So you can see my ductwork, we got heat moving through the ductwork. The ducts are going red. Let's take a look at this water heater. Got about 89 degrees on the water heater. Ain't that awesome, folks? We can definitely use this in the field. All right. So my heater is going now. See that flue pipe, 148 degrees. Flue pipe 148. You see the roof is blue because it's kind of cold out there today. You see the flue pipe is orange. All right. As you can see the kind of color change in the return because it's getting kind of bluer because it's cold. Alright. So we got warm air going through there, so we kind of orange red. You know, when you blue, you're colder, red is hot. Alright, so let's do this. Let's turn it to cool mode. After I set my wife. All right, so I'm gonna turn the heater off. Heard it just clicked off. Let's see if we see it change. All right, so the evaporator core temperature right now. Let's see. Take a look at our line set. See the discharge line. I can see that discharge line. With a liquid line, let's see if the liquid line kind of changes. Duct is about 87 degrees. AC just kicked on. Should see that unit start cooling off. All right, folks, as you can see, this is definitely right up my alley. I can definitely use this in the field. Let's go and take a look at the condenser unit. All right, so I see you can actually move your image around on the screen also. For instance, if I wanted to move this condenser unit over, that's my actual condenser unit right there. As you can see, it is heating up. The coils are heating up. So we kind of red on up top, blue at the bottom. Pretty cool, so we can definitely use this. Take a look at it. Once I get familiar with it, I know exactly where to point that sensor at. But it looks like you just put the whole thing over it. But I definitely know y'all can see some use cases in this also. All right, folks, there you have it. All right, HVAC people, so that's just the first initial unboxing and review of this product. Already it's a thumbs up for me. I can do a lot of things with this imaging camera right here. This definitely be a help for HVAC technicians out there. I'll leave any link that Top Done give me. Purchase this product on your own if you like it. I was already in the market for a good infrared. I was just about to buy the FLIR, and this right here seemed like a really good piece of equipment. I'll be using this for the next several weeks and probably throughout the summer. Like I said, I always wanted one of these, so I'm definitely going to be using this. So the camera right now on that lens is 126 degrees. These GoPros do get really hot. And a special thanks to Top Done. Like I say, I always wanted one of these, so I appreciate y'all for reaching out to a small channel like mine and just giving me this product for me to review. We appreciate it. Thanks, WW HVAC. We out. You hot? Nah, man, you cool. You 86, 88. You 80-something degrees, man. 80-something degrees, boy. Huh? You must just woke up. I know you just woke up. That boy just woke up. That thing you just woke up, then your boy. You just woke up. You just woke up. All right, man.